Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Tony from Option Hunters, and today I would like to teach you what pivot points are, how to apply it to your thinkorswim chart platform, and how to use it to make some money. Before we go any further, let me explain what pivots are by definition. They're calculated based on the high, the low, and the closing prices of previous trading sessions, and they're used to predict support and resistance levels in the current or upcoming session. These support and resistance levels can be used by traders to determine entry and exit points, both for stop losses and for profit taking. So here we have the S&P 500, and if you trade on thinkorswim, to apply pivot points, you go to Studies, Edit Studies, type in pivot points, go to your setting button, and right here you'll see R3, R2, R1, PP, S1, S2, S3. This would be your resistance. This is your mid pivot, the VWAP, and these are your support levels. I recommend taking it off auto and put it on numerical. Okay, hit OK, hit apply, and hit OK. Okay, now as you can see here, right off the morning bell at 9:30 a.m., the market dumped right to its bottom support and bounced. Typically, when something is on its bottom support, the risk ratio is there to go long. So you long it, buy some calls or stock, whatever kind of trader you are. Some people prefer one or the other, or they trade both, or futures. And you can see that it went to its next support level. And right now it's in the middle of the range. It's pretty much at another support level, and it's testing that right now. And this is your midpoint, your pivot point, your VWAP, and this is your resistance levels. Typically, if you are bullish, you would want to buy it at support or at the mid pivot. Now, clearly the better buys are when it's at its lower support. It's still a good buy to go long at mid pivot if the data, the sweeps, or whatever you're following is indicating a move higher. Now, if the data or sweeps, whatever you're following, is implying a move lower, well, then you might want to get some puts or short the stock. But in this case, we're talking about buying long SPY calls. So at the open bell, you can see it drop down to support, and some big SPY calls came in, and equity buying came in right off that, and now it's testing higher. You never want to buy long calls or go long on the stock when it's at resistance, because the chances and the probability of it failing resistance is much higher than it would be failing support.